Natalo kami, nakakainis.
Ha? Loser kayo?
Lamang na nga kami. Natalo pa.
Nice.
Lamang kami ng 11.
Lumipa ka. So guys, we're done eating. Look. We got this, we got that, and we got that. And we got a rice. And that's my mom. She cooked it. But my dad is still working and we're watching Fufu. There's no internet.